Did you know the Chow Chow was once revered as a mystical guardian in ancient China? With their lion-like mane and piercing blue-black tongues, legends claim they could ward off evil spirits and protect sacred temples. Some even believe these dogs held supernatural powers, linking them to ancient deities. But behind their regal appearance lies a breed prone to unique health challenges. Chow Chows are susceptible to entropion, hip dysplasia, and autoimmune disorders. Their thick coats also make them sensitive to heat, requiring vigilant care and regular grooming to keep them healthy and comfortable.